Summary: scientists prize pulses of light that capture electron movements. Findings could advance electronic and medical diagnostics. Prize winners share $1 million prize, the second Nobel Prize of this year's squad. Stockholm, October 3. Scientists Pierre Agostini, Ferenc Krauss and Anne L'Huillier have won the 2023 Nobel Prize in Physics for creating ultra-short pulsars light that can give a snapshot of changes in atoms, potentially leading to better detection atoms illness. The Academy, which awarded the award, said their work provided humanity with new tools to explore the movement of electrons inside atoms and molecules, a phenomenon long thought impossible to track. Changes: electrons occur in a few tenths of an attosecond. This unit is so short that there are as many attoseconds a second as there are seconds that have passed since the birth of the universe. The ability to produce attosecond light pulses opened door on a very small, extremely small time scale. And it also opened door to electron world, said Eva Olsson, a member of selection committee for Nobel Prize in Physics. The findings have potential applications in many different fields. In electronics, it is important to understand and control how electrons behave in a material. The field also shows promise areas such as a new in vitro diagnostic technique to detect characteristic molecular signatures of diseases blood samples. The Academy said. Hungarian-born Krauss, whose team produced first ultra-fast pulses early 2000s, likened attosecond physics to a fast shutter camera, in which brief flashes of light allow appearance of a freeze-frame microcosm. It's just like you try to photograph a Formula One racing car with a fast camera. Say as it crosses the finish line. You need a camera to take sharp photos and recreate the movement. A fellow at the Max Planck Institute told. He is the director of quantum optics in Garching, Germany. This is exactly concept we use for fastest movements that occur in nature outside atomic nucleus, namely movement of electrons. After the news, he continued his lesson for half an hour, which he described as a little difficult. French-born L'Huillier, only fifth woman to win the Nobel Prize Physics, works at Lund University, Sweden. Agostini, who was also born France, is a retired professor at Ohio State University, United States. The two French winners said on social media, "What a pride for our nation." He was congratulated by French President Emmanuel Macron. Get license rights inside the atom in experiments starting in the 1980s. L'Huillier discovered a new effect from the interaction of laser light with atoms in a gas. Agostini and Krauss then showed how this could be used to create shorter pulses of light than previously possible. While Krauss his colleagues Austria worked on technique that could pick out single pulse. Agostini and his group in France succeeded producing investigating series of successive light pulses like train with carriages. All of TH's